Hi, good evening everyone. Once again, this is Anna. Today I will going to make a video tutorial on how to create free Bitcoin wallet. But probably there are thousands of uh, website offering free Bitcoin wallet, but one of the most popular is blockchain. So some of my team members, we are using blockchain wallet and then create free Bitcoin wallet. So this is the official website, https colon forward slash blockchain.info slash wallet slash number sign slash. And this one is the official website, guys. So for us to create free Bitcoin wallet, we must have at least secure email first. Secure Gmail or Yahoo Mail, which we can use to register new Bitcoin wallet. So now, before we start, we must have to click this one. So create free blockchain wallet and then input an email. So I will going to input an email for us to show how this uh, procedure being done. So I will going to create. So I need to input the email, official email or secured email. Then input the password. Okay. Make sure you always remember what's the password you are using to create your free Bitcoin wallet. Then tick this one. I have read and agreed to the terms of services. So you must have to tick this one and wait until the check icon will going to reflect and then click continue. So we should have to wait until the whole procedure will be done. Okay. And make sure guys you will going to save this one. Okay. So there's some message a while ago reflect. So after this one, we go immediately to the dashboard. So after this one, I'm going to click get started and then we can see it here send, meaning we wanted to send fund coming from our blockchain wallet. But actually, this is the main dashboard of the blockchain wallet. And if you wanted to make any transaction or receive any Bitcoin coming from anybody else, it's either other person or trading platform that you are acquiring Bitcoin, you can click this one. And then this is your official um, Bitcoin wallet. So you can copy paste this one, copy paste, something like that, or you can click this icon here. Then you can give it to the person whom you wanted to receive your Bitcoin, or maybe you can use this button or this blockchain wallet to create account in Bitregion or any other platform of uh, business that acquiring or um, saying that they need Bitcoin wallet address. So this official Bitcoin wallet address, you can use this one. But actually, guys, from time to time, this one will gonna change for security reason. So after this one, before we need, as we can see here, there is no fund yet, meaning we don't have any amount of Bitcoin. Prior to do that, before we fund anything here, we need to at least secure our own account by clicking this security center. So we should have to click verify email. So we need to click this button, resend verification email. So saying that email has been sent to our official uh, login email. that we used during the registration process. So now we must have to continue or click this email coming from blockchain. So this is the official email coming from the blockchain. All you have to do is scroll down and then click this verify email. So it will open another tab to verify your own email address that you use for registering blockchain wallet. So as you can see here, a system says that verifying email address. So it says incorrect, incorrect. So we should have to click another one. I think we get another wrong email. So maybe this one. Okay, let's check this out. Okay, we got some wrong code. So maybe if something like this, we need to get again. Okay, verify again. And then wait until the system will going to verify it. Oh, email verification code incorrect. So there must be something wrong. Cancel. Okay, let's get it on. Okay, let's go back to the first procedure. I think we get some problem here. So all you have to do is save. So we need to refresh the page, something like this, and then resend code. So just follow what I have done. So I need to resend code, the code again. So refresh my email. And then we wait until blockchain will going to send the verification link coming from them. Okay, I think it's not yet done. Okay, we should have to wait again. Okay, there's another email coming from them. So I got 3-1. I think there's a problem with retrieving the email again. Just have to try this one. Code is incorrect. What happened? We should have to try again. Okay. Haven't received yet. So I think this one. Okay, got it. I hope this one is better now. Maybe I click wrong code. So verifying. Okay, it's done. So saying successfully. If you done this procedure already, email the stub will going to say that you done it successfully. So now we go back to our blockchain wallet. So email says verified. So verified done. So next step is backup security phrase. So we must have to click this button and then backup security and then enter the password that we use. And then click. Main wallet password. So, Okay, submit. Incorrect password. Okay, I got mistaken. I think then okay, try. Okay, I got it. So next step, click next step, and then copy these 4-digit words or 4 words, then paste it into another clean sheets. The next step, okay, copy it again, and then paste it again. Go back, next forward. Okay, the 12 passphrase words has been completed, so we have to copy it again, do the same procedure, and then click final step. So there are words being required there, so you guys must need to complete this one. So third word, we're going to type copy this one, copy, and then paste it, and then next words is 6, copy, and then paste. 9th words, so copy it again, paste. 7th words, and then click. Then after completing all these 4 words, need to click finish. So then close. After this one, here you can see it. Backup trace has been completed, email has been verified. So now you can start any transaction using this blockchain wallet. And do not forget, all you have to do is to copy this one. This is your identifier address, which has been set to your email. Every time you need to log in, guys, you have to use this one. So let's try again. We are going to sign out here, and then no thanks, and then save your blockchain identifier. So we are going to open another tab again, and then try to log in our new blockchain wallet. So click the authorized browser, and then okay, so we must have to open another tab, something like this, blockchain wallet, and then click login. Okay, we need to paste it here, and then the password. Always remember your blockchain wallet ID and your password. So enter your password and then do the same, then sign in. So there's the word coming here saying please check your email to approve this login attempt, meaning your blockchain wallet is now already secured. So you must have to check your email, and there you have it. You can see blockchain email again. Then click this one, and scroll down and click this link below. So we must have to click to approve our login. Okay, every time we log in, this one will going to be sent to our wallet. So success, meaning we can now check our own wallet address, wait until the process has been done, and you can log in immediately after the attempt has been approved. Okay, something like this. Okay, there you have it. Your account is now secured. So I hope, guys, the video tutorial that I'm doing right now will help you out how to create your own blockchain wallet. So this is your blockchain wallet, and you wanted to use this one to register in